Hey, yo, what's up, everyone? With the 1923 yz250f that will not start. It's most likely one of these things. These is what I've run into, at least. So number one, spark plugs. This thing eats through spark plugs. So double check that. Number two, your gas tank line. If you take this guy off and off all the time, it can get caught in there. So double check that. Number three, your fuses. So make sure that guy's not fucking burnt, okay? Take him out. Make sure he's not crispy. If he is, you got another guy in there, so switch him out. So that's cool. Number four is the battery. For me, this time, it was the battery. So, double check your battery.